Want to lower your blood pressure? Here are 12 quick tips. 1. Walk and exercise regularly. Just 30 minutes a day can make a difference. 2. Reduce your sodium intake. Cut back on salt to help lower blood pressure. 3. Drink less alcohol. Moderation is key to maintaining healthy blood pressure. 4. Eat more potassium-rich foods. Fresh fruits and veggies are your friends. 5. Cut back on caffeine. It can cause a temporary spike in blood pressure. 6. Learn to manage stress. Techniques like meditation can help. 7. Lose weight if necessary. It significantly lowers blood pressure. 8. Quit smoking. It's a strong risk factor for heart disease. 9. Cut added sugar and refined carbs. They can raise blood pressure. 10. Eat berries. They're rich in polyphenols which lower blood pressure. 11. Try meditation or deep breathing. It activates the parasympathetic system. 12. Eat calcium-rich foods. Dark leafy greens, tofu, and dairy are great sources. Follow these tips to lower your blood pressure and stay healthy.